So this is the performance task for Chemistry A, credit 4, on page 42. Start by reading the instruction in your package, very good, and then pretend that you are doing this lab. So read the instructions now, or before you're watching this video. And then go on and fill out the tables for example, table 1, fill that one out for your reaction between copper and potassium, and write in how many drops you have of each reactant in each well. So do that now, and then in row number 3, calculate the ratio you have between the two reactants. Now we'll go and look at the results we have. So now we'll do our observations, and again you look for precipitate, or how much solid produced in each well. So I'll put the results up in the video, and again it's the reaction between copper and potassium. So take a good look at the results. You're looking at, on your left, the left line A1, and then B1, C1, D1 and E1. You can stop the video to make your observations. On the left you have A1, on your right you have E1. And again in the table you simply write where you have the least and where you have the most precipitate or solid. Yeah, that was for table 1. Now we go to table 2. Fill out that table with how much, in this case, calcium and sodium you have in each of the wells. So go on and fill out that. And in row number 3, calculate the ratio between calcium and sodium. And now we'll go and look at the results of that. So we have here the calcium and the sodium. And let's take a look at the wells. See if we can get it up. So on your right you have well A12, and then B12, C12, D12 and E12. You can stop the video if you want to take a closer look. Again, on your right you have A12, B12, C12, D12 and E12 on your left. Fill out the table now with your observations, and then after that continue to look at page 44 in your credits and make your conclusions. Find out what is the limiting reactant in each of the experiments, the two labs we just did. So yeah, that's the lab for that.